First of all, we will discussion the dangers of volcanic eruption. Have two types of dangers based on the time of occurs, namely primary dangers and secondary dangers. The following are the dangers of volcanoes. The first is hot-cold. Is a flow of hot volcano material consisting of heavy rock, like hollow, massive lava and glassy grains, whose move in vents by gravity and tends to flow through the valley. This hazard is a mixing of eruption material between gas and rock, oxides that are pushed down due to high density. The temperature of the material can reach 30 and 70 degrees Celsius. The speed of the hot cold is more than 17 kilometers per hour. The second is lava flow. It's magma that melts to the surface of the earth through cracks. The temperature is under to 13 degrees Celsius. Can damage a form of infrastructure. 3. Toxic gas is volcanic gas that can be deadly intently inhaled into the body. These gases include CO2, SO2, Rn, H2S, HCl, HF, and H2SO4. These gases are usually colored and odorless. The first material ejection incandescent material ejection occurs when a magmatic eruption takes place. The temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. The diameter is more than 10 centimeters with a throwing power of hundreds of kilometers. The 5 as rain is a fine look as material and move according to the direction of the wind. 6. Lava eruption. Lava eruption occurs in volcanoes that have great lakes occurring at the same times as the eruption. Water mixed with loose volcanic material follows and forms a lava flood.
After we know about the dangers caused by volcanic disaster, there are several things that we must prepare before the disaster occurs. Namely, 1. Pay attention to the diagrams of the Center for Volcanology and Geological Disaster Mitigation regarding the development of volcanic activity. 2. Prepare a mask and protective glasses to anticipate volcanic dust. 3. Know the evacuation route and shelters that have been prepared by the authorities. 4. Prepare other evacuation scenarios in the impact of the eruption spread beyond expert prediction. 5. Prepare logistical support, ready to add food and drinks, fuels like and spare batteries, sufficient gas, special medical across the users.
Not only preparation before the disaster occurs must be done, but there are also several things that we must do when the volcanic disaster occurs. Include 1. Making sure you are in a shelter or other place that is safe from the impact of eruption. 2. Use a mask and protect glasses. 3. Always pay attention to direction from the outrider while in the shelter.
Here are some things to consider after the disaster. Namely, 1. If you and your family have to stay long in the shelter, make sure basic needs are met and special attention for children and adults is provided. The support of parents who work with humanitarian organizations is ensuring children and adults is very important to reduce stress of patients waiting in shelter. 2. Continue to use masks and provide the glass when in air affected by volcanic ash. 3. Pay attention to the development of information for the above via radio on announcement from the airports. 4. Be aware of the possibility of a second hazard of secondary hazard in the form of occult lava flows. This disaster is triggered by high rainfall and whisk away volcanic material or food debris or anything along their river from the stream from upstream. Pay attention to the life and restriction of the river point to activation called lava flows.
The conclusion of the things that need to be consideration and prepare before, during, and after a volcanic disaster occur can make easier from us all to minimize the occurrence of unwanted things such as loss of life due to the disaster and loss of family members. Knowledge of the disaster we should know about volcanic disaster is also a reference for us to regarding what things need to be prepared, and so that a disaster occur that cannot be predicted for in advance, we can face it more safely and with more preparation.